Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to convert numerical marks into percentage in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our student name and then you see mark obtained and then you see total marks. So we are going to convert numerical marks into percentage. Now select cell. On top you see formula bar, so click on it. Then write a equal. Now you see mark obtained. Now select cell. Now add divide and then you see total marks. Now select cell. Now you see equal B2 divide C2. Mark obtained, divide by total marks and then press enter. Now you see student percentage 0.85. So we are in home tab and then you see number and then you see percentage. So click on it. Now you see convert into percentage. Now select and drag and drop like this. Now you see numerical marks or number convert into percentage in Microsoft Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.